How to change the icon size on Android. This tutorial shows you how to adjust how big your app icons appear on your home screen. First, long press on any empty space on your home screen to bring up the home screen options. From there, tap Settings. After that, tap App Icon Size. At this point, you'll see a slider with 3 levels. Drag it left to make your icons smaller or right to make them larger. From here, the change applies to your home screen instantly, so you can see exactly how it looks as you adjust it. Following this, if you also want to change the size of the icon labels underneath each app, look for App Icon Labels on the same settings page and tap on it. After that, you can toggle labels off entirely if you prefer a cleaner look without text under each icon, or leave them on and adjust the font size if that option is available. Finally, if you want more icons to fit on your screen without making them smaller, go back to the same settings page and tap Grid Size to change how many rows and columns your home screen uses. That's how you change the icon size on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!